My name is Mackenzie Meldrim. My student ID is 3254433. This is for my Clinical Pathology 1 class, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to perform maintenance on a refractometer. So a refractometer is used mainly to measure total solids in blood and specific gravity in urine. So a dog's average specific gravity is 10.25 or 1025 or 1.025, and for cats it's 1030 or 1.030. So when you're doing maintenance on a refractometer, depending on how often you use it, it's either going to be weekly or daily, and the way you do it is you're basically going to check that it's calibrated correctly. And you're going to use distilled water at room temperature. And distilled water has a 0 refractive index, which means it should show up as a 1.0 on the specific gravity scale. So I'm going to go ahead and put that directly onto the prism, a few drops. All right. And then you're going to look at it into either direct light, like a natural light from a window, or from just a fluorescent light like I'm going to do now. So in this case, this refractometer is calibrated correctly. It shows 1.0. So I wouldn't be doing anything with it, but if it was not calibrated correctly, then this refractometer comes with a little screw. And if you can see this cap right here, this is how I would adjust it. I'm not going to do that right now because it's calibrated correctly, but if I needed to recalibrate it, I would turn the screw and then keep checking to make sure until it's calibrated correctly. So after every use, no matter what you use it for, a refractometer should be cleaned with a specific specialized wipe and cleaner. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And you're going to wipe the prism off and then the cover as well. And then it should always be placed back in its correct holding and put away. And that is how you perform maintenance on a refractometer.